I started this DIY with an old mirror frame. The mirror had broken, so I took the rest of the mirror out and I repaired the frame. I measured a piece of cardboard for the back of the frame. This frame already had brackets for hanging, so I just cut those out. And I attached the cardboard to the back of my frame using Gorilla Hot Glue. I repeated the first step until I had the back of my frame completely covered with cardboard. I covered the holes in my cardboard with Gorilla Hot Glue and masking tape. And this is what the back of my frame looked like once I was done. I measured the front of my frame. I cut out a piece of foam board to fit inside the front of my frame. I used Gorilla Hot Glue to attach my foam board to the inside of my frame on top of my cardboard. And this is what it looked like once I was done. I spray painted my foam board silver. I covered the gaps in my foam board with masking tape. And I painted my tape silver. I applied Mod Podge to my foam board. And I sprinkled shredded mylar that I purchased at Dollar Tree on top of my Mod Podge. Next, I applied beads to the inside of my frame on top of my mylar. I used Gorilla Hot glue to attach mirror frame that I used in a previous DIY to this frame as well. I applied mirrors that I purchased at Family Dollar to my mylar, and this is my final product. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my next DIY.